In this session, we're going to take a look at how to manage menus in WordPress. Let's take a look at our front end real quick. This is 2014. It puts its menu here in the top bar. We have one parent page and one child page. Now we'll go back over to the admin area and look at how that's managed. Under Appearance, Menus, this is the menu manager. As of right now, we don't have any menus. What we're seeing on the front end is 2014's decision to build a menu dynamically based on the pages that exist. There's nothing wrong with this. It works quite well, unless you end up with 30 pages and then it gets ugly. Still, you can manage that with a good parent-child relationship. The menu we have right now has a parent and a child. If you do it right, that can work just fine. That said, they're also ordered alphabetically, so that may not get you the order that you wish. That's where this area comes in handy. We're going to create a new menu right now. You can call it anything you want. I'm going to call mine Main Menu. Then I hit Create. Now it exists, but there's nothing in it. Over here on the left, we have Pages, Links, and Categories. If we go up to Screen Options, we can add to that. We can put Posts, Tags, and Format. We'll look at these other things here in a moment. So right now, I'm going to add the sample page and Topher's page to the menu. And now there they are. Now I have to save, and let's take a look at the front end. Nothing has changed. That's because we didn't tell the menu system to use it here. Right here, Theme Locations, Top Primary Menu. Now we hit Save and reload. And there we have it. Now there are our two menu items. And we know that they're using our menu because they're not in a parent-child relationship anymore. These theme locations are created by the theme. Different themes will have different locations. Your menus will continue to exist across themes, but if you change themes, you may need to come in here and reset where you want that menu to appear. There's a tab here called Manage Locations. This does pretty much the same thing that we did with those checkboxes at the bottom of our main menu. We can choose which one we want for top primary menu and secondary menu. Some themes make a whole bunch of menu spots, and this list would be much longer. Now let's say we want a parent-child relationship in here. All we have to do is take this and drag it just like that. We save, and there we are. You can change the order of your nav just by dragging them around. We got rid of our parent-child relationship and put Topher's page first. You can indent as many as you need to, but it's up to your theme to decide how that gets rendered. Posts works just like pages. You can pick things that are already there. There's a nice search if you have many posts or pages. Links allows you to just put in an arbitrary link. And there you can see that these two are pages and this one is custom. And there's Google right in our nav. Categories and tags work very much like pages and posts. They just simply link to those category and tag pages. And format, we actually don't have any formats with this theme. That's probably one of the reasons it was not selected under screen options. But if your theme used post formats and you chose a video or something, you could link to only the video posts. Now this theme has two theme areas. There's a secondary menu in the left sidebar. Let's create a new menu and put something there. We need to put it in the secondary menu. And there we have it at the top, right above the widgets. As I mentioned, themes can put menus pretty much anywhere. Sometimes they will take the top menu and replicate it in the footer. Sometimes they'll give you the option of putting a second menu in the footer, or a second level in the top. The options are pretty much limitless. But as far as the WordPress admin is concerned, none of that really matters. This area here makes the structure of your menus. It's up to the theme to decide how and where to display them.